Hi everyone. So in this video, I'll explain all the procedures like how to we deploy your final project. If you want to, you add this code also, and also if you want to add like extra features, you just open, you just use this application. So in our platform, we use Hugging Face is one of the famous, a hosting platform. So we just deploy this all this code in this Hugging Face. It's very simple process. First, you go to a Hugging Face website, and after that, you just create one. Just sign up this website. Use your credentials, like your username and passwords. Okay, uh, just sign up this website, and after that you just we directly deploy this entire code in this particular website. So the sign up process is very simple. Already you completed, no worries. So we you just utilize your own code as well. Suppose still you can't submit your final project to utilize this content. And okay, so first of all, you just sign up this website. You already have. So once you sign up this website, and yeah, already exists, so no worries. So sign up this website, and now so you go to so now we add this entire code. So you just navigate the spaces. First of all, we create a new phase. So just open your account, and here it is. You just click spaces. Okay, and okay, okay, create, click new, and click spaces. Okay, click space, and give your space name. So my case, a based network intruder detection, so I just put a network scan. Whatever, you just give your any name in this space, and choose license if you want. If you want, select, or else just leave it this. And mostly you select a gradio and scroll down, and make sure this is the public. So click create space, and now you see click files, and remove this entire thing. Just remove all those things. Just click commit changes. You can click this one. You can click delete button, and now click commit changes. Now so I'll share with you the entire code in our telegram group. So you just upload the code over here. So just click upload files. Upload each and every files. Okay, don't miss any single file, and you need to upload this all entire file. And if you want to you make some changes in this code, I'm mostly welcome. So you just open this entire code, and you just correct the add some extra feature if you want. I upload all this code over here, and scroll down, click commit changes. That's it. Now once you upload this code, and wait a couple of minutes, and after that it this you no need to click any deployment button. So once you upload the code, and the file name, that the python file name, mention the name like app.py, it automatically executed, you see, building. Now so once the code is automatically executed, the data set also I'll already provided in this code. No need to we need to give extra thing. So the code I'll give entire thing. So the thing is, you need to deploy properly in this particular website. That's it. Okay, and you properly upload each and every code. The once the url it's going to be generated over here. Once the url is generated, which means the code is perfectly working in your end. Okay, so once the code is deployed, you see, yeah, so you see, once the public url is generated, one website is appeared. Okay, so you see, you this page asking grow key api. Okay, and click over here, just click get free key here, which means the free API key. And in this case, you directly sign up with your Google account also. No worries. Okay, sign up with your Google account, and you got your free free API key. Okay, now you just click create API and provide the name, any name. Okay, okay, now click submit button. Once this API key is generated, just click copy button and get back to the same page and paste this page. Already I provided the data set in the code. Already I provided over here. If you want, you just change the data set also. And in my case, I already provided the data set and each and every code. And click train the model now and capture the random packets. You see the status is safe, and it scan the entire data packet, which means the Wireshark data packet. And if you want need more explanation about this packet, you just click generate explanation, and properly you copy and paste the API key, then only you got this explanation. Okay, so that the AI automatically generate that each and every packets. Okay, and this is your final output. Okay, and add your screenshot in your PPT, and also uh, so you just develop these things. That's it. Thank you.